Hello and welcome to Williams Crawford, where we're going to take a look at this 1969 911 S. This remarkable 911 is just turned up in our showroom for sale. It was originally supplied in March 1969 by Glen Henderson in Scotland, so it's original right-hand drive, numbers matching car in its original colour of Polo red, and the car's just finished a complete top to bottom, front to back restoration. It's been off the road since 1978, so it's got an original 60,090 miles on it. What it really needs is a new owner to do some more miles and really enjoy it. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Get up close to it and you'll see it for yourself. The fit, finish and the quality of it is really, really good, and underneath you could eat your dinner off it. It's a really nice car. Inside is the all retrimmed as well. The deviation from the factory is that it's got leather on the seats, not vinyl. No radio in it, and really nice in here as well. Original paint code label in the door shut there, and all the bright work and window frames all been re-anodized. In the engine bay, equally as impressive. It looks just right. All the finishes and components, and of course this is a matching number 2-litre MFI, so mechanical fuel injection car. This was their highest performance car, costing £4,300 here in the UK in 1969. Interesting? Please get in touch at Williams Crawford.